To install APK files on an Android phone, start by downloading the desired APK file from a trusted source, as these files can be malicious if obtained from unverified locations. Once the APK file is downloaded, open the Files app on your phone, which can be found in the list of installed apps. The APK file may be visible in the Recent Files section or can be located in the Downloads folder. Select the APK file, and you will likely encounter a prompt from Google indicating that the file is from an unknown source. To proceed, select the Settings option instead of Cancel, and then toggle on the option to allow installations from that source. After enabling this setting, you can go back and select the APK file again, which will then prompt you to install the app. Confirm the installation, and the APK file will be installed on your Android phone. Be cautious when downloading APK files, and ensure you only obtain them from trusted sources to avoid potential harm to your device.